Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create cartoon animation video here on Canva. So this is actually something that I'm going to show you, and the animation that we are going to do is actually very simple. So first things first, we're going to create our design and we're going to choose video here. Now you can go ahead and rename this however you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and name this one okay, sample animation. All right, just like so. Now, in order to get us started, we're going to go ahead and hit the elements. And here in the elements, we're going to go ahead and look for park. All right, so what we want is the graphics. Again, we want to have some animation. So I'm going to go ahead and use some Pro. And some videos are going to be, or some graphics are going to be for free. Say, for example, this one, we're going to add it first. There you go. All right. And then we want to have like a student walking, something like that. All right, so we have a lot here. So let's just say, for example, okay, this particular person, we're going to use that. All right, we're going to have to resize it. So that particular person is going all the way here like that. So we're just going to go ahead and put him here. So the next thing is we're going to adjust this one here, the length of the video, and then we're going to add another one. So while walking, he passes by the market, for example. All right, so here is the graphics. All right, we're just going to go ahead and choose something. Say, for example, this one. Okay, I'm going to make it still as big as possible. All right, and while he's in there, he passes by the market, and still the same thing, he's still reading that same book. So we're going to adjust the size here. All right, just like so. Or maybe we can put him here because he's already way past them. Now, we're going to go ahead and resize this one. We're going to add another. Say, for example, the next thing that we are going to do is say basketball court. All right, let's go ahead and choose some outdoor. Okay, this one. All right. Again, this is something that is very simple. No need to make it as difficult because again, this is just we're just using something that are free here. Basketball player. So click the graphics, and then we're going to go ahead and find someone or something that is, moving. All right, this one right here. And say, for example, this girl is about to shoot the ball, and we're going to go ahead and put that same character. So still walking. All right, there you go. So it's just passing by here. Okay, there you go. And we're going to go ahead and add, say, for example, a final one. Let's say a living room. Okay, which living room are we going to use? All right, this one. I think this one is going to be okay. Oops, not going to be okay. All right, here. All right, so still the same. We're going to make it as big as possible. And then, say, for example, we're going to find some dog. All right, let's just put something in there. All right, this one right here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and look for, let's say, a person graphics, and let's find someone or something in here. Maybe this one is going to be okay. All right, there you go. And then, of course, our main character. All right, there he is. So he has finally arrived home. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to go ahead and resize this again. And if you want to add some animation, you can go ahead, or transition rather, you can definitely do that one. There you go. So we're just going to choose the same transition. Okay, so here's how it looks right now. So we're going to play it from the start. So this person is walking. Now he walks to the market. He passes by a basketball court. And then he arrives back home. So yep, that's just how easy it is, everybody. You can go ahead and export this right away. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. Congratulations. I hope you learned something from this video. Should you wish to see more of these videos, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button down below.